In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect a streaming microphone to OBS. Whether you're using a USB microphone or an audio interface with an XLR microphone, OBS makes it easy to add your microphone and start recording or streaming with clear audio. Now, the first step is connecting your microphone to your computer. If you're using a USB microphone, simply plug it into an available USB port on your computer. If you are using an XLR microphone, connect it to your audio interface, then connect the audio interface to your computer. Wait a few moments for your operating system to recognize the device before moving on. And then you need to open the OBS Studio. Once OBS opens, you'll see the main dashboard where you can manage scenes, sources, and audio settings. And then after that, check the audio mixer. Look at the audio mixer panel near the bottom of the OBS window. If your microphone is already detected, you may see a mic or an aux channel moving when you speak. Now try talking into the microphone and watch for activity on the audio meter. And then you need to add your microphone manually. If you don't see your microphone in the audio mixer, you'll need to add it manually. Check the plus icon under the sources panel and then select the audio input capture. And then choose Create New and click OK. In the device drop-down menu, select your streaming microphone or audio interface, and then finally you need to click OK to add the device. And then do not forget to test the microphone. Now speak into the microphone. You should see the audio meter moving in the audio mixer. If the meter is responding, OBS is successfully receiving audio from your microphone, and then you need to adjust the microphone volume. If your microphone is too quiet or too loud, adjust the volume slider in the audio mixer. Move the slider left to decrease volume or right to increase it. Aim for audio levels that stay mostly in the green and occasionally reach the yellow range without constantly hitting red. And then after that, make sure the monitoring device is configured in OBS setting. All right. Now, before going live, you might want to record a short test clip. Click start recording, maybe speak into the microphone for a few seconds, then stop the recording. Play back the file and listen carefully to ensure your audio sounds clear and balanced. Basically, that's it for today's video on how to stream microphone to OBS. As you can see, the process is quick and easy, whether you're using a USB microphone or an XLR setup. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.